Well, it's been actually a while since we looked at any smartphone review. Smartphone review has always been crucial in the perspective of using them, and smashing the performance with a very sleek design is always important. So what's up guys, it's Zaki here, and today in this video we'll be taking a look at the Zars 60. So without much further ado, let's get straight into the video. Well, before starting the video, huge thank you to Jihan Enterprise and Lava Buzz Bangladesh for making this video possible. Make sure to go and check them out from the link in the description box down below. Also, the address is on the description box down below, so if you live in Sylhet, make sure to go and say hi to them. Well, starting off with the design of the Zars 60, I have to say that it is phenomenal. It is a fantastic device that has a kind of metal body, glass back panel, and a very sturdy build. Speaking about the build quality of the device, the Zars 60 is built really well. Holding the phone in hand was amazing and there is nothing to complain about. The device looks nice and neat with the sides housing the button. The top, for instance, houses the micro USB port and the headphone jack. The side houses the power button and the volume rocker in addition. The buttons were very easily reachable without any issues at all. Even though the buttons were placed in the right place, they weren't textured so well. This definitely is an issue, so Lava, please improve this a little bit. Now, speaking about the display of this device, the Zars 60 has a very crisp and sharp display. For the budget, I wasn't really expecting such a nice display, but well, it is here. The color and contrast of this display is just on point, with barely any points that aren't viewable, even though the screen is negative from sides. But the display all in all is a nice pack of some really cool stuff. In-depth games were an issue at all, and there isn't anything to complain about. In my preference, the display is a fair play for the price tag, but little improvements would be highly appreciated. The device has a resolution of Full HD, which is 5-inch tall, featuring a very nice grip in your hand. Moving on to the performance of the device, the phone performs flawlessly without any issues at all. Running high-end games was an obvious issue and the phone lagged horribly, so if you are hoping of using very high-end app, then you just have to know that this isn't for you. However, if you are into running high-end apps and high-end games, then make sure to go and check out my reviews on other smartphones. For example, the Walton Primo 86 and other smartphones that are actually in a budget but performs really well. The phone has a 1.1 GHz quad-core processor with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB ROM. The phone also rocks a 2500 mAh battery and a 5 megapixel front camera and a 5 megapixel back camera. There isn't anything to like about this side of this device. The camera takes decent pictures even though they are not great. I would say that they are pretty okay. One thing that's really amazing about this camera is the built-in macro settings. All in all, the phone is a really nice package of things that are good enough to get you going for the day. With over so many options, the Zars 60 is a device to consider, and that's mainly because of the design, build quality, and the overall performance of the device. However, as your first device, I would not recommend this, but if you're looking for a secondary phone which is kind of backup phone or just use it whenever you are at work or somewhere else, this is a phone to choose. So that's basically it for today, guys. I hope you have really enjoyed the video. If you didn't, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more contents like this one. All my social medias, including my website, is dropped in the description box down below, so make sure to go and check them out. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to smash it. Make sure to take this channel to 2,000 subscribers within the next 2 months. I know you guys can do it, so please be a part of this family and subscribe to the channel. I'm doing a giveaway really soon. I know I've been talking about giveaway from a very long time, and I'm also sorry for not being active in the channel for a while now because I had exams going on. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, take care, guys. This is Zaki from Zars Tech, and don't forget, one new video is coming up within the next 3-4 days. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Peace.